Americans are increasingly replacing traditional home Wi-Fi routers with 5G home internet in 2025, and this shift is happening faster than anyone expected because people want faster setup, fewer cables, and more flexible internet without long contracts. One of the biggest reasons 5G home internet is taking off across the United States is simplicity, since users no longer need technicians, drilling, or complex installations, and instead can plug in a small 5G gateway and get online within minutes. For renters and apartment dwellers, this is a game changer, because many buildings have limited fiber or cable options, while 5G home internet works almost anywhere with strong cellular coverage. Cost is another major factor driving this trend, as many Americans are tired of rising cable and fiber bills, hidden fees, and yearly price increases, while 5G home internet plans often offer flat pricing with no contracts or equipment rental fees. Speed has also improved dramatically in 2025, with 5G networks now delivering fast enough performance for streaming, gaming, video calls, and smart home devices, making the difference between traditional broadband and 5G much smaller than it used to be. Younger Americans and remote workers are leading this switch because they value flexibility, and being able to move homes or cities without worrying about transferring internet service is a huge advantage. Gamers are also paying attention, as 5G latency has improved in many U.S. cities, making online gaming more reliable than before, especially for casual and console players. Another reason this trend is growing is the rise of minimalist tech setups, where people want fewer boxes, fewer wires, and cleaner living spaces, and a single 5G router fits perfectly into that lifestyle. Internet providers are also pushing this shift by expanding 5G coverage across suburban and rural areas, giving Americans who previously had slow or unreliable internet a new option that feels modern and easy. Families are starting to adopt 5G home internet as well, especially those who rely heavily on streaming services, smart TVs, and connected devices, because modern 5G networks can now handle multiple users at once. What makes this trend especially important in 2025 is that Americans are no longer loyal to one type of internet technology, but instead are choosing whatever gives them the best balance of speed, price, and convenience. As 5G infrastructure continues to expand across the country, more households are realizing they don't actually need traditional routers, cables, or long-term contracts anymore. This shift shows how internet usage in the USA is evolving toward flexibility and wireless-first solutions, and why 5G home internet is quickly becoming the preferred choice for many Americans looking for a smarter, simpler way to stay connected in 2025.